Imagine planting one simple root today, then, months later, digging into the soil and uncovering a huge cluster of brilliant golden turmeric, enough to enjoy in your kitchen and enough to plant again for next season. That's exactly why more experienced gardeners are making space for turmeric in their gardens. It's productive, surprisingly easy to grow, beautiful to look at, and unlike many crops, it keeps rewarding you year after year. But here's what surprises most people. Despite being one of the world's most valuable edible plants, turmeric is still missing from most home gardens. And that means many gardeners are missing out on one of the easiest harvests they could be enjoying. In this video, I'll show you why turmeric deserves a place in almost every garden, how to grow it successfully, the science behind its growing popularity, and the simple mistakes that can dramatically reduce your harvest. Be sure to stay until the end, because I'll also share one mistake that causes many gardeners to harvest too early, and it can cost them a surprising amount of turmeric. Before we get started, if you enjoy practical gardening tips that help you grow more food, save money, and build a healthier garden, make sure you subscribe to Grow Food Smarter. We publish science-backed, beginner-friendly gardening videos designed to help you harvest more with less effort. Now let's dig in. The golden root that has stood the test of time. Turmeric has been grown for thousands of years. Long before it became popular around the world, people valued it for its rich golden color, distinctive flavor, and incredible versatility in the kitchen. Today, it's grown across many tropical and subtropical regions, and demand continues to rise as more people discover its culinary and nutritional value. Yet here's something fascinating. Although millions of people buy turmeric every year, relatively few gardeners ever think about growing it themselves. Many assume it's difficult. Others believe it only grows on commercial farms or in tropical climates. The truth is much more encouraging. With the right conditions, turmeric is one of the most rewarding edible plants a home gardener can grow. What makes turmeric so special? Unlike carrots or potatoes, turmeric quietly develops underground. It grows from a rhizome, the same type of underground stem as ginger. Slice open a fresh turmeric rhizome, and you'll immediately notice its striking deep golden orange color. That color comes from naturally occurring compounds called curcuminoids, including curcumin, which has been the subject of extensive scientific research because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. While researchers continue studying exactly how these compounds affect different aspects of health, turmeric is best enjoyed as part of a balanced, healthy diet, not as a cure for disease. For gardeners, however, turmeric offers another incredible advantage. One harvest becomes the beginning of the next. Instead of buying seeds every season, you simply save a few healthy rhizomes and plant them again. That's one reason experienced gardeners often describe turmeric as a gift that keeps on giving. Why so many gardeners overlook it? Walk through a typical vegetable garden and you'll probably see tomatoes, peppers, beans, cucumbers, maybe even garlic or onions. All excellent choices. But one remarkable plant is usually missing: turmeric. Not because it's difficult to grow, but because most gardeners simply don't realize how rewarding it can be. Fresh homegrown turmeric has an aroma and flavor that's hard to match. It stores well, it multiplies every season, and it adds something truly unique to an edible garden. Once people discover how easy it is to grow, many wonder why they didn't plant it years earlier. More than just a spice. Most people know turmeric as the bright yellow spice found in grocery stores. But fresh turmeric is an entirely different experience. You can grate it into soups, curries, stir-fries, teas, smoothies, marinades, and countless homemade recipes. Growing it yourself also gives you complete control over how it's produced. You know what's in the soil. You know how it was grown. And every harvest gives you the opportunity to replant and grow even more. That's one of the biggest reasons gardeners love it. It isn't just a crop. It's an investment in future harvests. Now that you know why turmeric has become one of the world's most fascinating edible plants, let's get practical. In the next section, I'll show you exactly how to plant turmeric the right way, the growing conditions it loves, and the simple techniques that can turn one small rhizome into an abundant harvest you'll be proud of. Now that you know why so many experienced gardeners love growing turmeric, let's talk about how to grow it successfully. The good news is that turmeric isn't a difficult plant. In fact, once you understand what it likes, it becomes one of the easiest edible crops to grow. And by the end of this section, you'll know exactly how to give your turmeric the best possible start. Start with healthy rhizomes. Every great harvest begins before you even touch the soil. When choosing turmeric for planting, look for rhizomes that are firm, plump, and free from mold or soft spots. More importantly, make sure they have visible buds, sometimes called eyes. Those tiny buds are where new shoots will emerge. If you're buying turmeric from a grocery store, organic rhizomes are often a better choice because some conventionally sold rhizomes may be treated to discourage sprouting. Choosing healthy planting material is one of the simplest ways to increase your chances of a successful harvest. Give turmeric the right home. Turmeric thrives in rich, loose, well-draining soil that's full of organic matter. Think of the kind of soft, fertile soil you'd find on a healthy forest floor. That's the environment turmeric naturally prefers. Before planting, mix compost into the soil. Compost improves drainage, feeds the plant gradually, and creates the loose texture that allows the rhizomes to expand underground. If your soil is heavy clay, don't worry. Raised beds or large containers are excellent alternatives. In fact, many home gardeners prefer growing turmeric in containers because they're easier to manage and can be moved if temperatures become too cold. Give the plant enough room, and it will reward you with a much better harvest. Warmth is your friend. One thing turmeric doesn't like is cold weather. It grows best when temperatures stay consistently warm. If your climate has cool springs, wait until the soil has warmed before planting. A little patience at the beginning often leads to much stronger growth throughout the season. When it comes to sunlight, turmeric enjoys bright light but appreciates protection from harsh afternoon sun in very hot climates. Finding that balance helps keep the leaves healthy and vigorous. Water the smart way. Here's where many beginners make their biggest mistake. They hear that turmeric likes moisture, so they keep the soil soaking wet. Unfortunately, that can do more harm than good. Turmeric prefers evenly moist soil, not waterlogged soil. A good way to think about it is this. The soil should feel like a wrung-out sponge, moist enough to support healthy growth, but never constantly saturated. Adding a layer of organic mulch around the plants helps conserve moisture, reduce weeds, and keep the soil cooler during hot weather. It's a simple step that can make a noticeable difference. Don't panic if nothing happens. After planting, don't expect green shoots overnight. Turmeric is naturally slow to emerge. Several weeks can pass before you see the first leaves pushing through the soil. Many first-time gardeners assume the plant has failed. Some even dig up the rhizomes to check. Resist the temptation. While the surface may appear quiet, the plant is developing roots and preparing for healthy growth beneath the soil. Sometimes the hardest part of gardening is trusting what you can't yet see. And turmeric rewards patient gardeners. Why scientists are interested in turmeric. Turmeric isn't just valued in the garden. It's also one of the most researched culinary plants in the world. Scientists have spent decades studying curcumin and other naturally occurring compounds found in turmeric. Research suggests these compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and scientists continue investigating their potential roles in supporting overall health. It's important to remember that turmeric isn't a miracle cure, and research is still ongoing for many health claims. The best way to enjoy turmeric is as part of a balanced diet filled with a variety of nutritious foods. One interesting fact is that curcumin is absorbed relatively poorly on its own. That's one reason many traditional recipes combine turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound shown to improve curcumin absorption. It's a fascinating example of how traditional cooking practices and modern research sometimes align. Why growing your own is worth it. Even if you never thought about the research, turmeric would still earn a place in your garden. Freshly harvested turmeric has a brighter aroma and richer flavor than most dried powders from the supermarket. You can use it in soups, curries, rice dishes, teas, smoothies, marinades, and homemade spice blends. Perhaps the biggest advantage is that every harvest becomes the beginning of another. Save a few healthy rhizomes, plant them next season, and your garden keeps producing year after year. That's what makes turmeric more than just another crop. It becomes a lasting part of your edible garden. Now you know how to grow healthy turmeric plants. But here's where many gardeners accidentally lose part of their harvest. Timing. Harvest too early, store it the wrong way, or make one common mistake, and you could lose some of the rewards you've worked so hard to grow. In the final part of this video, I'll show you exactly when to harvest turmeric, how to store it for months, and the 6 mistakes every gardener should avoid if they want bigger harvests year after year. After months of patiently caring for your turmeric, the moment you've been waiting for has finally arrived. Harvest day. And if you've never harvested turmeric before, you're in for a pleasant surprise. What started as one small rhizome can multiply into an impressive cluster of beautiful golden roots hidden beneath the soil. It's one of the most satisfying harvests any gardener can experience. But to get the biggest reward, timing matters. Harvest too early, and you could leave weeks of growth and a much larger harvest behind. Let's look at how to know when your turmeric is truly ready. How to know when it's time to harvest. Fortunately, turmeric gives you a very clear signal. As the growing season comes to an end, the lush green leaves will slowly begin turning yellow, then brown, before naturally drying out. Don't panic when you see this. It's not a sign that your plant is dying. It's a sign that your harvest is maturing. While the leaves are fading above ground, the rhizomes below are finishing their development. This is why experienced gardeners resist the temptation to harvest too soon. Waiting until most of the foliage has naturally died back usually results in larger, healthier, and better developed rhizomes. Sometimes, the hardest part of gardening is simply being patient. But patience often brings the biggest rewards. How to harvest without damaging your crop. When harvest time arrives, avoid pulling the plant straight out of the ground. Instead, gently loosen the soil around the edges using a garden fork or a hand trowel. Then carefully lift the entire clump. As the soil falls away, you'll reveal clusters of vibrant golden turmeric connected beneath the surface. It's a moment that reminds you why growing your own food is so rewarding. Brush away excess soil. If you're using the turmeric right away, rinse it gently under clean water. Before storing or cooking it, remember one important step. Set aside your healthiest and largest rhizomes. Those will become next season's planting material. The secret to never running out of turmeric. Here's what experienced gardeners do differently. They never use their entire harvest. Instead, they save a few of the strongest rhizomes for replanting. That simple habit means one harvest leads to another, year after year. Instead of buying turmeric every season, your own garden becomes the source. That's one reason turmeric is such an incredible long-term crop. You're not just growing food for today, you're investing in future harvests. How to store fresh turmeric. Fresh turmeric stores remarkably well. Keep it dry and place it in a breathable bag or wrap it loosely in paper towels before storing it in the refrigerator. It can stay fresh for several weeks. For even longer storage, freezing is an excellent option. Many gardeners grate frozen turmeric directly into soups, curries, teas, and smoothies. You can also slice and dry turmeric before grinding it into your own homemade turmeric powder. That means you can enjoy your harvest long after the growing season has ended. 6 common mistakes to avoid. Before we finish, let's quickly review the mistakes that prevent many gardeners from getting the harvest they deserve. Number 1. Planting too early. Turmeric loves warm conditions. Cold soil slows growth and can damage newly planted rhizomes. Number 2. Overwatering. Keep the soil consistently moist, but never waterlogged. Too much water encourages rot. Number 3. Planting in heavy, compacted soil. Loose, compost-rich soil gives rhizomes the room they need to expand. Number 4. Giving up too soon. Turmeric is naturally slow to emerge. Be patient. Growth is happening beneath the soil even when you can't see it. Number 5. Harvesting too early. Waiting until the foliage naturally dies back usually leads to a much better harvest. And number 6. Forgetting to save rhizomes for next season. Always keep a few healthy pieces for planting. It's the easiest way to enjoy bigger harvests year after year. Why every gardener should grow turmeric. When you look at everything turmeric offers, it's easy to understand why so many gardeners continue growing it season after season. It's productive. It's beautiful. It's beginner-friendly. It stores well. It multiplies year after year. It adds incredible flavor to home cooking. And it's one of the most researched culinary plants in the world because of its naturally occurring compounds. Very few edible plants offer so many benefits from a single harvest. Sometimes the most valuable crop in your garden isn't the one everyone talks about. It's the one quietly growing beneath the soil, waiting to surprise you. Turmeric is one of those plants. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps YouTube recommend this video to more gardeners who can benefit from it. And if you haven't already, Subscribe to Grow Food Smarter for more science-backed gardening guides, practical growing tips, and incredible edible plants that can help you harvest more from your garden every season. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever grown turmeric before, or are you planning to plant it after watching this video? Share your answer in the comments below. I read as many comments as I can, and I enjoy hearing about your gardening experiences. And before you leave, don't miss the next video on your screen. If you enjoyed learning about turmeric, I think you'll love discovering another amazing plant that every gardener should grow. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, keep growing smarter, harvesting bigger, and enjoying the incredible rewards of growing your own food.